In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GST in Zoho Books. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process, ensuring that your setup is smooth and straightforward. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard. This icon is your gateway to all the settings you'll need to configure your account, making it a crucial step in getting started. Once there, navigate to the Taxes and Compliance section and select Taxes. This will direct you to the Taxes pane, where you'll find all tax-related settings and options available in Zoho Books. Now, in the Taxes pane, it's time to dive into the GST specifics. Click on GST Settings, which will open up a dedicated area for entering your GST information. Next, you should focus on entering your GST details. Begin by toggling the option that asks, "Is your business registered for GST?" Set this to Yes. This enables the GST settings in your account, preparing it to manage transactions as per GST compliance. Then, take your 15-digit GSTN, which uniquely identifies your business in the GST system, and enter it in the designated field. You'll also need to provide your business legal name and business trade name. These should reflect the name under which your business operates and any trade name it goes by, ensuring consistency and compliance with GST regulations. Following this, you'll select the date of GST registration. This date marks when your business was officially recognized as GST registered, so make sure it's accurate. In situations where the composition scheme applies to your business, go ahead and check the box for this option. Then, enter the composition scheme percentage, which will adjust how GST is calculated for your business under this scheme. This is particularly relevant for smaller businesses that avail themselves of this simplified tax scheme. If your business involves transactions where the customer is liable to pay the tax, enable the reverse charge option. Also, if your business is involved in special economic zones or engages in overseas trading, make sure to check the SEZ's Overseas Trading option. For those managing both imports and exports, select an appropriate custom duty tracking account from the drop-down menu, or create a new expense account if needed. Lastly, if your organization sells digital services to customers overseas, enable the Track Sale of Digital Services to Overseas Customers option. This step ensures that your accounting is in line with international sales and taxation regulations. After entering all these details, click the Save button to apply the settings. By doing this, your Zoho Books account will now be fully set up to manage GST, helping you maintain compliance and efficiency in your business transactions.